What a week in the stock market. I know you guys seen it. Iran war, oil crisis, credit stuff. I mean, it's been crazy. You have not experienced a downturn, right? You haven't had one. We haven't had one since 2008. I'm talking about a major financial crisis. I'm not talking about COVID because, yes, during COVID, stocks went down 50%, but it bounced right back up to a V recovery, like a V-shaped recovery. But none of you, or I shouldn't say none of you, but most of you have not witnessed the 2008 type crisis since then, because the stocks have been going up like 15% per year. When you're talking about some type of S&P strategies like the VOO or the QQQ ETFs, right? So none of us really haven't experienced that official correction where people just start selling stocks that they really don't want to stop sell, right? We haven't experienced that yet, but it's coming. And the longer it takes for it to happen, the stronger that type of recession is going to be. So you got to have some dry powder on the side, which is some cash just in case, but you still have to be invested because you don't want to miss out. Who can tell you when the stock market is going to crash? Nobody. Who can tell you we're going to have a recession? Nobody. And for the last couple of years, everybody's predicting that we're going to have a recession. Yes, we're going to have a recession, but nobody knows when. There's always going to be some type of correction. It has to be. And this may be it. We may have an AI bubble crash. We may have a credit crisis crash. We may have the war and oil prices, but nobody knows. But you got to be prepared for it, obviously, right? In the meantime, you just got to continue to buy stocks. You got a dollar cost average into the stocks that you have done your research on, that you consider long-term investments, but you want to have cash on the side. And when this crash happens, you're gonna be able to get stocks for like 5, 10, even $3. Like back in the 2008 crisis, some of the banks were selling for like $2, $4, $5. Some of the regional banks were like $6. And you could have got Jeffries for about $10. Jeffries Bank for like $10. Bank of America for like $12, $14. So you're gonna be able to buy these stocks when we do have this crash, because we're gonna have it. It's gonna happen. But who knows when, right? So you have to learn the market right now, and that's what I'm doing. Like I'm trying to teach myself the different stocks, the different price points, what stocks are good. So when this crash does happen, I'm not scrambling trying to figure out what stocks to buy, because I'm gonna have cash on the side. I have my watch list ready. I may buy some financial stocks. I may buy some growth stocks. Whatever stocks go down, like really, like go down to like where it's like ridiculous. Trust me, I'm gonna go in all in. Like if Dutch Bros go to like $3, $4, I'm gonna buy Dutch Bros because right now it's sitting at $50 and it's a growth stock. That's just an example. But you're gonna be able to buy these stocks for dirt cheap. And you just gotta be ready for them. But in the meantime, continue to dollar cost average in, because you can watch all these videos on YouTube and they'll tell you, hey, we're going to have a recession. But nobody's going to tell you when, because nobody can tell you when. So in the meantime, just continue to invest. Pay attention. Obviously, stay woke. Make sure your third eye is open. Make sure you pay attention to what's going on and have some cash on the side so you can take advantage of the situation and take advantage of these stocks. But do not fall for the okie doke and just start selling stuff because on Monday, the oil price goes to $100. Now, if the oil price does go to $100 a barrel, yes, the stock market is going to be red and you're going to be able to take advantage of some of these stocks. If the oil prices go to like $120 a barrel, according to some, like I don't know how true this is, but according to some people, if the barrel of oil goes to $120, we're going to have a recession, and a big recession. In my opinion, if we do have a recession, we're going to have a big recession. I'm talking about something that's crazy, because think about it. Since 2008 till now, you don't think a lot of shadiness has been going on underneath the banking system, the financial systems? We've had the Federal Reserve lower interest rates so far down, and he kept it like that for so long, that a lot of people have done a lot of shady loans, shady credit swaps. I mean, it's been crazy. Mortgage-backed securities. I mean, some of the mortgage-backed securities are putting these funds, and these funds are not quality grade. They're lower grade stocks and bonds. I'm telling you, it's going to hit hard, but we got to take advantage of it. The recessions, the pullbacks, the corrections. These are the opportunities that you get to have to get rich. And I want to be there. I didn't take advantage of 2008 because I didn't know. I didn't take advantage of COVID because that's when I first got into the market. Like I literally just started like 5 years ago. So I didn't know. Obviously, I've taught myself since then. But when the next recession happens, if you got a extra $5,000, $10,000 just sitting there, or if you got some stocks that are up like 10,000 and you sell it and you make, you gain that 10,000 and then all of a sudden these stocks go down, you're going to be able to get rich. You're going to be able to get rich the next recession. But you got to prepare now. Learn these ticker symbols. Do some research. Start looking at CNBC. Watch my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Also, there's other YouTubers like the Financial Education Channel, Chris Sane. There's tons of people that you can learn from, but you got to be ready. You take your little 9 to 5 paycheck that we all have, and you put away some money on the side and get ready because you're gonna be able to get rich if you do it right. But you gotta. This is the opportunity right now to prepare yourself when everybody is not paying attention, because right now the market is like, I don't know. I think they're thinking nothing's going to happen, but I think eventually we're going to have a recession. I don't know when, but I'm preparing for it. And I'm telling you, make sure you learn these stocks, do your research, have a watch list ready for you, put some cash on the side, start digging into some stocks, maybe buy a couple of stocks, watch them to see where the price are at. You don't have to buy the whole stocks. You could put $2, $3 into a stock. Watch the stock prices. Make sure you pay attention to like the AI stocks, because those are the ones obviously are going to take away a lot of jobs, but they're also going to create opportunities for people that are invested into these companies. There are a lot of stocks out there that we can buy for the low, even right now. But when that recession happens, man, you're going to be able to get stocks 60, 70% off. You're going to be going to the clearance rack trying to get stocks for like 80% off, man. Buy some financial stocks, consumer staple stocks, AI stocks like Google, Meta, Apple. Nike right now is at $54. That's a cheap stock. I mean, it's so many cheap stocks out there right now, but make sure you have cash on the side and get ready for this downturn that we're going to have, because it's going to happen. And I want you guys to prepare yourself. In the meantime, stay focused on your bread, get your money up, stay focused on the stock market, pay attention, do your research, and keep it 100, man. Keep it econ 100, man. You already know.